Hey guys, so this is the DJI Mavic Mini 2. Just taking it up from my backyard. I have it recording in 1080p because in 1080p you're able to access the 4 time digital zoom. So taking it out from my backyard, going up. I have it in sport mode. I think I have to adjust the yaw because it yaws pretty quickly. There I did an adjustment on the exposure because it was too bright. I don't have any ND filters on this thing yet, so I'm just trying to settle it, center it, and then here we go. There's the 4 times zoom. I think I go to 3, then I go to 4 times zoom. Pretty impressive. That should be up to 4 times right there. It's pretty cool to be able to do this, considering how small this drone is. You can see in the distance it's a little bit hazy. It's been hazy for the last couple days, but now we're just getting some sun flare. And the picture just progressively gets worse as I start facing the sun. And I think I did an adjustment coming up. Oh no, I just zoomed out. But the camera on auto handles the differences in light pretty good. So here we got the Ambassador Bridge coming up. I'm going up, elevating a little bit more. I think I hit about 350 feet. Trying to center the bridge, and then I zoom in. There we go. And then I pan over to Detroit. There's the church 2 blocks from me. See, that's pretty impressive, especially being up so high. There's a little gazebo. That's the skating rink with the solar panels on it. That's the corner of Ottawa Street and Parent. And that's up to 4 times zoom on the Renaissance Center, Detroit skyline. You can also see Caesars Windsor there, the 2 tall white buildings. Holy cow. I'm outside doing this voiceover and barbecuing at the same time. So here I'm just painting at the houses. So at this corner I was trying to find the Tim Hortons and realized it's a little bit up further. So now I think I was looking for Willisted Park, Willisted Manor. Couldn't really see it, so yeah, I thought it was around there, but I guess not. Panned up a little bit, and that's Hiram Walker's, the orange buildings. There's the big white silos. Across the river, the big white tarp. They have concerts there. And now I'm fully zoomed out. So here I'm zooming into the old property where the GM trim plant used to be. And that whole parking lot now is just for cars. Almost done the video, snooping around. I think I'm panning along Tecumseh Road there. There's the water tower. And the building on the middle, a little bit to the left, that was the, I think, Chitaro. No, sorry, Kubota Club. Now I'm fully zoomed out, just doing a little bit of a pan. And I think I start reeling it back in. Yeah, I'm starting to go down now. At this point, I couldn't hear it. I just see where I'm flying at from my screen. But I see that I'm coming towards me. And I'm starting to go down. See the church, see my neighborhood, so at this point I flip the screen down, flip the camera down. And there's my garage coming straight down. So by this time I'm just looking at it, I'm just line of sight, bringing it down. Making sure I don't hit these wires. There's 2 more wires right there. And I'm home. Flip the camera up. That's it. That was pretty good. This 4x digital zoom is pretty good. That's in 1080p.